Welcome to the AI for Graphic Designers training series. In this session, we will explore how to create 3D graphics in Canva. Open the Magic Media app from the Apps section in Canva. The Magic Media app is used to create graphics using text prompts. Here, the text prompt is delicate floral arrangement of roses and leaves in soft watercolor, organic shapes on pastel gradient. This is an example of how to use Magic Media for creating graphics. Now let's look at how to create 3D graphics using the Magic Media app. Click on the 3D section and type the text prompt luxury car. Then click Generate. This is a preview of how 3D car will look like from all sides. Click on the car and drag it onto the Canva canvas. Resize it. In the middle, there is a handle to change the car's perspective. It shows a grid view like in 3D software. Adjust the view, then click outside to exit perspective mode. Such 3D graphics can be used in app design or print ads. Thanks for watching.